Hello everyone, in this particular lecture I'm going to create a new repository in GitHub. So first of all, in the Google search bar I'm going to type GitHub, then I'm going to click this particular link. So since I don't have a GitHub account, so first of all I'm going to create an account. So I'm going to click sign up button, and afterwards this is going to give me this screen. So I have to follow the process. I have to enter the email. So I'm going to provide my email address here. Just copy paste. Okay. Okay. Continue. Click continue. Then I have to create a password. I will create a password here. Continue. Enter a username. So let's create a username. So let's say Saad Qureshi 2023. Okay, this is available. So continue. Click continue. Okay, would you like to receive product updates and announcements via email? No, I don't want it. So I'm going to type N for no. Click continue. Okay, let's start the puzzle. Okay, pick one square that show two identical objects. So it has to be this one, and afterward one square that has two identical objects. So it has to be this one, two identical objects. Okay, done. Create an account. Okay, now you have to provide the verification code here. Okay, just me. Are you a student? Yes, student. Let me just, are you a student or a teacher? Continue. Just continue. Okay, GitHub team. Continue for free. So this is how you create a new GitHub account. Now next step is to create a repository. So in order to create a repository, you can either click this plus sign and then create a new repository, or you can do it from here as well. So let me just create a new repository. So let me just name it training 2023. Okay, this description is optional. Public, if you want to make this repository public, you're going to click this. Otherwise you have to click the private. Okay, the public repository is visible for everyone. This one is optional to add a readme file. Okay, let me just click this. Okay, this is where you can write a long description for your project. Okay, now create a repository. So this is how you create a new repository. So the name of repository is this one. Let me just go to my repository section. This is the name of repository, Saad Qureshi 2023. Okay, repository, this is the name of repository and it is public. Now let me go to my repository here. Okay, right now I don't have anything in my repository. Add a file, create a new file, upload a file. So let's say I want to upload any file in my repository. Choose your file. So let me just select the dataset which I want to upload. I'm going to select this one. So this is going to upload in my repository. Now commit directory, yes, commit changes, processing your file. Look, a new file has been added in my repository. So this is how you create a repository, and this is how you add a file from a directory which is located in your computer system. So now next I'm going to check the link of this repository. Go to the repository section. Now here I'm going to go in the code section. Here I'm going to just copy paste this HTTPS. This is the HTTPS link and this is the SSH link. Let me just copy paste this link, copy and paste it here in the Google. Now this is how you can get the information, get the data inside the repository. Okay, now let me just go to the settings section. Let's say if you want to delete this repository, you will go to the settings section, you will go here, and you can delete the repository from here. Okay, I can also change the name of repository. Let me just change it to 2020. So this is how you 2020 name is available, and this is how you rename it. Okay, now it has been renamed. Now let me just delete this repository. Let me check if I can delete this so first let me just create another repository and delete that particular repository. This time around I'm going to create a private repository, uh, training 2023, which is available right now. This time I'm going to create a private repository. The private repository is not available for everyone. Okay, who can see and commit to the repository? Create a repository. Now it has been created. This is the HTTPS link and this is the SSH link. Now I'm going to go to the settings section, and here I'm going to, this is private. You can upload a social image, it will not be visible publicly with, while is the private. Okay, it will not be publicly visible. Now I am going to delete this. In order to delete this, I'm going to click delete. Please type this to confirm. I have to type this. Just copy paste South Qureshi 2023 slash training. Now click. This is going to delete this is going to delete my repository. Okay, now I have only one repository, which is this one. Okay, only this repository. So hope you understood the concept. Thank you so much.